Hello, it's been a little while actually. I am right now, 2 seconds, let's just crank you up a little bit. Right now I am just getting ready to go out, and I made a bet with my friend that whoever's late has to pay for the day out. It would be me to come and open my mouth to say that when I'm the one that's running late. So I've just accepted my fate at this point. I'm not really sure what got me in this position of being late, but we're here. So recently I've been loving like a no makeup look where I don't even wear eyelashes. I just wear mascara as short as my little lashes are, and I've put my hair in these rollers. Hopefully it comes out nice because I don't have time to sort it out. I've already lost the bet, but I'ma still try because you never know, he might be late too. What do I do first? Eyebrows. Gosh, I'm so like disorientated that I don't even remember my makeup routine. And to be really honest with you guys, I've not been wearing makeup a lot recently. It just hasn't really been my thing, you know? So let's get into it.
Girl, I get the money if you make you mine, oh. If you're loving every night, you make you mad, oh. Now only you give me love, but make me nice, oh, nice, oh, nice, oh. I feel make you mine, oh. But I love you, plus I never make you minus. If I let you smoke it, you gon' lose my lighter. If you paranoid, then I'ma spend the night, oh. Baby, I love it every day. I'm dancing with my money, I go pay. For your love, I go pay, oh. Get it making my DJs, oh. I feel this for you every day. When you call for the back on the plane, for your love I go pay. For your love I go pay. You can't even sit in peace. 'Cause all of these niggas be on you. Come to say like me, yeah. But that you call and you talk to, girl. I'll share my world with you. If you gonna waste your time, yeah. Waste your time with me. I mean honestly, open your eyes and see. If you gonna use giving you what you need, waste your time with me. You could have all the space, more than you need. It's for a brush, you can if you got time to
So I finally made it to Camden. As you can see, there's a bearded man in the background. If you work out who he is, 10 points to you. Camden is absolutely rammed. So far we managed to get some orange juice. We're just exploring the markets right now. Shaka Zulu's over there, which I don't think you can see. Yeah, you can literally see that statue over there. I've never noticed that, and I've been here a few times. So right now we're just literally walking around. We're gonna check out more food spots and then decide. We kind of found one on TikTok. I'll actually insert the TikTok that we found. What's the place called? The Yorkshire Burritos.
That's it.
Yeah. So that's where I want to eat. I'm not sure if the bearded gentleman in the background also wants to eat there as well, but we will find out soon.
We'll think about it.
We'll think about it. So let's go. So we managed to, oh no, my camera battery's gonna die. Oh sorry, you're in the back. We managed to sneak in and infiltrate the premises. Oh gosh, not the staff looking at me like that. So we're just having a quick looky around, you know what I'm trying to say. It's huge in here. It's literally huge. So yeah. What do you think?
This place is cute.
I don't know where we're going.
This is it.
Right now, we've made it to this cyber place. So it's kind of awkward to vlog. Yeah, we're gonna head in there. Things to eat. I got a cheesy nan melt. Not the kids staring at me whilst I'm recording. Wow. Thank you. Thank you. Cheers. Clink, clink. Wow. Not a whole chili in this man's cooking.
I don't, I'm joking.
Wow. Me, I'm sticking to my margarita thingamajig. I don't know what this beautiful man decided to order because it's chili and a whole drink.
So we tried. It's good. Very spicy on the spicy side.
It is a spicy drink. Me, this will do me.
So you're taking a bite out of this chili?
No. That's all you.
It's given.
It's giving. You should even see the hand motions he's doing right now.
It's given like. You're trying to find the word.
I'm perplexed. I can't even
For
say
what
the word. He says per way now? Or what now?
She said she get it from her mama. I'ma say you right. Body rude is unpolite. Don't be in the humble type. Tell me, is you down? Cause I'm trying to go up tonight. Hoes and hope just left and right. I just wanna live in a fantasy. I think we deserve it right. Top of the memories I've ever made in my life. Permanent ecstasy. The ladies is pimps tonight. Living inside a dream. Let's lay where the love is like. I put that on my own mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my back, but you could. I look fly, I look too good. Put that on my own mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my back, but you could. I look fly, I look too good.
as you can see, where am I? My bed. Just taking off my makeup. I feel like I didn't even take it off properly. But I'm chilling. Like, I'm so tired. I've had such a great day out. It's about 8 p.m. right now. Let me see what the time is. It's actually 20 to 9, and I've done 10,758 steps. So yeah, I really enjoyed like getting out and about, not driving, just exploring, trying street food. Like, it was a really good day out. I just had a really good time. Great company. I even got that art piece that I saw right at the beginning. I never knew that towards the end of the day I'd be like literally taking it home. So yeah, it's been a good day overall. I'm gonna get ready for bed, and this is gonna conclude the vlog. So I'm gonna try and start doing more daily vlogs, or like just, yeah, like spend the day with me, because I'm trying to increase my momentum again. And I feel like when I do the weekly vlogs, I sometimes get overwhelmed because I might not have a lot going on that week, or I might just be going to like a motive, which if you're not familiar with that term, it's like a club or a party, and then I'm just like, I can't really vlog that, and it's also repetitive. So yeah, I think daily vlogs are a good way to break down maybe sometimes when I do have an activity, and I can just showcase that and then kind of like touch in with you guys, as opposed to trying to fit an activity in or forcing myself to do things just to create content, if that makes sense. This is authentic. It's also easier to like commit to and be consistent with. Yeah, it should build up a bit of a flow, and then maybe from then on, if I do find that my life is getting a bit busier, I can start doing weekly vlogs or monthly vlogs. But as for now, I think this is going to be the flow. So hopefully you enjoyed watching today's vlog, and yeah, if you go to Camden and you try other food that you think is a hit, let me know, because I'm trying to eat. Okay, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I shall see you in my next video. Adios, amigas.